Signs your garage door opener needs repair include strange noises, inconsistent function, and delayed responses to commands. These early warnings should never be ignored. In Dallas, Texas, where garage doors are in constant use, problems can escalate quickly if left unchecked. Listen for grinding sounds or sluggish movement. Both may point to motor or spring issues. Unexpected reversals often mean misaligned sensors. If cleaning them doesn't help, it's time for a professional check. A continuously running motor may indicate a faulty limit switch. This can overwork the system and shorten its lifespan. Watch out for unresponsive remotes or wall switches even after battery changes. This could signal internal wiring or circuit board trouble. Visible shaking or vibration during operation may mean loose parts or internal wear, issues that can worsen without attention. If your opener is 10-15 years old, it may lack modern safety features and be prone to failure. Aging equipment often needs replacement. Stay proactive with regular checks and contact a garage door repair expert if you notice any of these signs.